Net ne kerke vregen, ze willen du, ze willen du. Net ne kerke vregen, ze willen du al houden. Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet over scholen dansen.
I'm Naomi Harvey and I'm here with Will Lamb this weekend. Will Lamb's been working on a research for the past several years about Port-a-beul, the song tradition and its connections with dance in the Gaelic communities. And I've been taking his research and putting it together into a workshop where we take historical accounts of people not dancing for singing but dancing while singing, and recreating, reimagining in some cases, recreating from detailed descriptions of how the dances were done in others, and putting them with Port-a-beul that we know were sung with the dancing, and trying out how does it work, how do the mechanics of it work. There are accounts that describe taking verses about so that you can keep singing, keep dancing without running out of breath, and it's been a great opportunity to come up to Ceòlas, where we both have taken part in Ceòlas in various ways over the years, and it's been a lovely opportunity to pilot this research at their song conference here this May.
Ham willen du het hoereman, ham willen du het hoereman. Ham willen du het hoereman, ham willen du het hoereman. Ham willen du het hoereman, zes stoppers stallig dansen. Ham willen du het hoereman, zes stoppers stallig dansen.
So a shift and phone your back.
Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet op er stallig dansen. Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet op er stallig dansen.
It's Mr. Will Lamb, agus have seen it's China Guish just some project Ransachi as a filmy asas. Achus beau market big. As you know, in the Ceòlas echtrio is danse Gaelic urige market big. Wat dance aan. As you feel in the fene macht, just camera va gopis. I guess we're a carstel, we're a div. I guess a nest show hit trip. A hashin show ichen. I guess high second and nest gewele gopis. Vele furste, vele div. Well, a rupik horse could you can give it a collect the Zumba, you know, co yeme Zumba many you show. Ha gopis gejekus to be almost like engineer a jiffer han eters vi shine as a downsec and then am shach vi a geishak the could you can ha cloy kelv. So have fatness colander an doi. The next hashin is a dancer moors. Iach in shine denum his. Good to stock a kid, dunje. A yeno can new naam as a dancer shen. I guess feel nearly fatten a beluga na shen. So I should experiment a hand.
Net de kerke vreken, ze willen du al houden. Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet op er stallig dansen. Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet op er stallig dansen.
You can dance through and Ray the Moor, you can dance through the West Highland Circular Reel with Port-a-beul, with simple step dancing steps to keep the rhythm, and it just works in a very kind of holistic way. The song is different, it feels in a different place than performing the song, and the dancing feels a little different than dancing to music being played separately. So yeah, very interesting experience, and we hope to carry on.
Willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, willen du het hoereman, zet op er stallig dansen.